Spring is here. Birds are chirping, flowers are blooming, and it's time to bust out your brooms for some spring cleaning. This year, why not try out some new green cleaning strategies that are better for your household's health, better for the environment, easy to make, and will save you money too. In this video, we will discuss some simple switches you can make and talk about the benefits of cleaning green. So why should you care about cleaning green? Cleaning green has a variety of benefits, but before diving into those, let's make sure we're on the same page about a couple of things: cleaning, sanitizing, and disinfecting. Cleaning is the act of removing debris. Think wiping down a counter or hand washing dishes. Sanitizing is using heat or chemicals to reduce microorganisms to a safe level, such as boiling water to make it safe to drink. Finally, disinfecting is the act of killing microorganisms, like using bleach to clean your bathroom. Now, your first thought might be, well, of course disinfecting is the best. It kills the most harmful germs. But this isn't entirely true. In certain circumstances, disinfecting is important, such as when someone is sick in your home or if you're cleaning up a pet accident. But everyday house cleaning does not require constant disinfection. In fact, it can actually be harmful to do so. According to the National Center for Biotechnology Information, growing evidence from in vitro studies has shown that bacteria have a tremendous ability to respond to chemical stress caused by biocides, which are more commonly called antibacterial disinfectants. The main reason for emerging resistance is attributed mainly to the overuse, abuse, and misuse of disinfectants. So, by cleaning green and reducing use of disinfectants, you're actually slowing new bacterial illnesses from forming. Now that we're on the same page about that, let's talk about the benefits. First, it is much safer for people to use green products, as the harsh chemicals of many common products are linked to cancer, hormone disruption, internal damage, and other health complications. When you make the switch to green products, you are making sure you have both a clean and a safe home. Second, cleaning green is better for the environment. When you finish using a cleaner, what happens to your used supplies? If we stop and consider the full life cycle of a cleaning product, we realize that it will find its way into the natural world one way or another, whether it's in the laundry water, the toilet flush, or in the garbage. When harsh chemicals enter the water supply and landfills, they can seriously disrupt the entire ecosystem. And when it's so easy to switch, why not do nature a favor? Third, green cleaning makes your wallet happy. Since many of the same ingredients are useful for multiple purposes, there is no need to purchase 12 different chemicals for 12 hyper-specific areas of your home. And since the ingredients themselves are inexpensive to purchase in bulk, you can stock up for all your needs at once. Finally, green cleaning products are incredibly simple to make, usually only using 2 to 3 ingredients, and their effectiveness is often the same or better than standard products. On your screen, you will see a list of several different green cleaning recipes. If you take notice of the ingredients as they scroll by, you will find several repeated items, namely vinegar, baking soda, Castile soap, and various essential oils such as lemon oil and tea tree oil. Let's talk briefly about each of those items and the benefits they bring to a clean and healthy home. Vinegar is an organic product made by fermenting grain alcohol into acetic acid, then diluting it with water. It is safe to eat and offers a variety of benefits as a food, and it is extremely versatile and effective when used as a cleaning product as well. Vinegar ranks somewhere around 2 to 3 on the pH scale, which means it is highly acidic. This acidity gives it antibacterial, antifungal, and deodorizing properties, making it effective at reducing microbial activity in your home. Another common ingredient we see is baking soda. In several studies summarized by the National Library of Medicine, it was found that baking soda significantly reduces microbial activity of the oral bacteria that contributes to tooth decay, making baking soda an effective dental care ingredient. Baking soda is alkaline on the pH scale, so it will have a reaction with acidic products such as vinegar and lemon juice, which adds extra cleaning power when used together. Baking soda is also an effective odor neutralizer, and it is often used in places like refrigerators and near pet litter boxes and enclosures to maintain air freshness. Castile soap is a vegetable-based cleaning product named after the Castile region of Spain, known for its centuries-old expertise in soap making. It is made simply from a plant-based oil such as coconut oil or olive oil, combined with an organic base, and it is incredibly versatile in cleaning. It is gentle enough to use for skin and hair, and strong enough to clean your bathroom and laundry. It can even be used as a spray to repel insects. In addition to being effective, Castile soap is a great money-saving option as well, since it is highly concentrated and you only need a small amount for all your cleaning needs. The final ingredient we are going to highlight in this video is essential oils, which appear several times in our recipe list. Essential oils are highly concentrated oils from plants that are often used in naturopathic medicine. Tea tree oil, for example, has antibacterial, antifungal, and antioxidant properties, which will enhance the benefits and fragrance of any cleaning product you create. Essential oils are highly concentrated, and you will need only a few drops to experience their benefits. Now that we've talked about a few specific products, let's wrap up the video with some general tips and tricks for cleaning green. Number 1. Traditional cleaners can be used safely if instructions are followed closely. Number 2. Clean before sanitizing or disinfecting. Number 3. Wash rags and sponges often. Number 4. More doesn't always mean better. Number 5. Ventilation and gloves are always a good idea. Number 6. Label all cleaning products, even homemade. Number 7. Store all products away from kids and pets. Number 8. Don't be fooled by green-washed products. Always check your ingredient labels. Number 9. Reusable microfiber wipes are effective and more sustainable than single-use wipes. Number 10. When trying out a new product, always test on a small area first to ensure the safety of your surfaces. If you keep those tips in mind, you'll be well on your way to a cleaner, greener home. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning!